The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Reveal Pet Vacuum delivers powerful cordless cleaning for pet hair, dust, and everyday messes. Its lightweight design, motorized pet brush, and built-in LED light make cleaning quick and easy. What's in the box? In the box, you find the BLACK+DECKER Reveal Pet Vacuum, washable filter, crevice tool, charging base, and user manual. Product overview. How to use. Fully charge the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Reveal Pet Vacuum before first use. Attach the desired cleaning tool, such as the motorized pet brush. Then press the power button and move the vacuum slowly over the surface to pick up pet hair, dust, and debris. Use the built-in LED light to spot dirt in dark or hard-to-see areas for more effective cleaning. Maintenance. Keep the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Reveal Pet Vacuum performing at its best by emptying the dust bowl regularly and cleaning the washable filter as recommended. Check the motorized pet brush for tangled hair or debris and remove any buildup. Wipe the exterior with a soft, dry cloth and fully recharge the battery after use so the vacuum is ready for the next cleaning session. Smart features. Delivers strong suction to remove pet hair, dust, crumbs, and everyday debris from a variety of surfaces. Its cordless design provides the freedom to clean quickly and easily without being limited by a power cord. The motorized pet brush lifts and removes stubborn pet hair from carpets, upholstery, and other fabric surfaces. It helps provide a deeper, more effective clean where pet hair tends to accumulate. The built-in LED light brightens dark areas, making it easier to spot hidden dust, pet hair, and debris. It improves visibility when cleaning under furniture, inside cars, and in tight spaces. Its lightweight, compact design makes it easy to carry and maneuver around your home, car, or office. The portable cordless design allows for comfortable, hassle-free cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. The removable dust bowl empties quickly for fast, mess-free disposal of dirt and debris. The washable filter is easy to clean and helps maintain strong, consistent suction. The built-in crevice tool easily reaches narrow gaps, corners, and other hard-to-access areas. It helps clean along edges, between cushions, and inside vehicles with greater precision. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Reveal Pet Vacuum. See you at the next one.